1, 2, 1. Okay, so we're gonna have fire drill next few days. So stay tuned. So, are you okay to be with your parents a little? Yes. Okay. Then I have an idea. I'm gonna pull the fire alarm. Exact. Finally. Yes, I did it. Now, let's run away. I got an alarm from Gamer Space School that it was a fire. Oh, Nia! I heard that you pulled the fire alarm for fun. And now I'm gonna squirt water on you. Hey! Now look what you have done. I'm gonna take your zombie clone. Hello, I'm your zombie clone, and I can give you one punch. No, I can skirt you away. You will be staying in jail here for a few months. Or I mean prison. Whatever. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.